talk about it because true, everybody knows that me sick. Everybody have something to say. Sickness no stop at my door alone, you know. So all who jump and skip and knock, all who have to make sure say when you sick too, God dead if you know too. And when you know I say, me I go dead. Me want to know if uno now go dead. If uno I go live, and me alone I go dead. Or if I the whole away I go dead. Because it no matter who dead first, you know. Me no accept say me have to dead. Uno now go dead. Me want to ask you to make sure so you can answer this blood clots. Because I have this narrative stuck on me. Like I'm alone in the universe. I don't realize say anything you say go bounce off of me and stick to blood clot like glue. So me want to ask you and you all on up on the life. If I'm me alone, I go dead. For some reason people just hate upon you when they know what you have achieved. So I keep it a secret. But me for reach right here so I make you make me sad. Me reason with my real bestie them because I have some bestie out there where certain things really get to them and it bother them and it makes it bother me. But I want to tell them to stop make people bother them because them not bother me. Me just sit down and a whole reason and look into it because I want to get in my mindset and the knowledge and the mindset what I have. You believe that after all of what I have overcame, going to school with nothing, and after walking to school for days and years of going to St. Catherine High School with not $1 in my pocket, and one day I go to school and come home and my house burned down flat, me homeless. Everything when me did have, because I never have nothing ready for morning and no evening, and I reach home, my house burned down flat on the ground. And I'm homeless and I go walk and catch with people. Big up the Smiths family where used to take me in them house and feed me. The Smiths them will live in Newland. Big up them family where take me in them house. Me I got dead. You know I got dead too. Me just have one. Me have one reason. Me have that attack. This is not just for one person, you know, because remember it's not one person alone I say it. It's more than one person that say it. You know, come with everything. I want to say everything you want to come with now work out. So I want to come with the next thing. I want to say, me I go dead. So me have a next question for Uno. Me have to ask Uno. Me I go dead. Yep. Uno now go dead. Because all of a sudden, you know, hold it. All of a sudden, you know, through the sickness for me. On the hype, on the laugh, on the swearing on yourself, say, God love you no more than me, so me I go dead. So me want to ask you no. You now go dead. So whether me dead before you know, or who dead before me, or who dead, me have to ask you know. You know now go dead. I mean when I go dead. Jesus, come in the house, you can't even left out tight. Father God, me and some people I will reach the God. Me God, me see that as a God. And me see some people say, me I go dead. You know now go dead. And me
Uno sit down and take it. Uno female sit down. 3,000-4,000 now uno sit down over there. By one of them page. We are going with the excitement them way Uno normally would have gone with. And Uno them take that from them take one the tracing. Them take one the dressing. Them take one the man. Look how much thing them take from Uno. Uno not have nothing left but a blood clot. Rose. You know say a rose them go to play with no pussy. Uno so Uno not get no fuck again. Them make Uno fall in love with a battery. How Uno cause that? Uno woman. Them left Uno with a rose where we use battery. Everything them take from Uno and Uno cause that because Uno entertain it. Uno entertain that shit. I feel good. I wanna still not realize I lose and I lose. Lose or not lose. Oh, me am a rose, I'm gonna need no man. I'm gonna need no man. But yet still when something out there and you can't reach it, you need a man. Yet still something big and heavy, you need a man. Uno are the cause of most of the changes we are going right now. Uno is the cause. Because Uno never take no stand. Uno never take no stand. Alright. When me talk about changes where come, what if people on the internet and talk about the changes, but Uno not see it. You know, say, the first thing them use and test Uno and win was Alexa. Them use Alexa and test Uno and win. Everybody, don't go fully Alexa in your house. Don't forget to do things manually. Don't you ever forget that you must not do that. Alexa, turn on fan. Alexa, light the stove. Alexa, what time is it? Alexa, turn on the TV. Alexa, set water to this and that and that and that. Alexa, run on the yard. I only forgot to say when power out. I don't remember what to do. Remember saying, brother, a robot them are bringing in now for liquid everything, you know. So pretty soon, you're not gonna have no work, you know. All the heavy lifting when man used to do, you know, them are gonna have a robot to do that. I want to see that testing right in front down the eye, I want to still not see it. Remember them thing you go a long time from Will Smith coming and one show, you know. Will Smith starring in one movie like this, you know. Will Smith, what the movie name where Will Smith did coming out? iRobot did name? iRobot. iRobot. You have to remember how to do things and the woman them to get up and start do back things and stop going like one just good for wine pan cocky alone. You have to know something better than this. And not just wine pan hood alone and push the lane on the wall. You have to remember say, you a woman. You have to remember uno, you know. So, everybody will still go to school for learn a trade or get a skill, have a skill because you're going to need your skill. Because they're going to only start apply skilled workers. Skilled workers. You hear me say? Skilled workers. And I know this. I know this, you know. Most of them don't care and that's okay. And that is okay. I just start me attack, because I soon come off. But remember this. I don't want nobody come talk about a true retreat chat. Because all I want to say the truth. The truth is there and it's been proven. And it does a come and 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 a come. It does there and a come and a come and about. Remember again. Woman has become the provider now. Woman used to be the caregiver. We stay home with the picnic them and or she go work and she come back and cook. Now them days they done. Woman a go work or provide and just say, yo, you know, say I don't really want a man, you know, alright. Just say check most women right now, them tell us them single and then they depend on a man thing. Most of the women them have a woman that suck them pussy. Them not in nothing with the man. I remember them can rent all the man if them want, you know, because everything up for sale right now, you know.